Just got my stash from Meowashi. Little individual stampers. Day off, work, eat out, detox, exercise, and shopping. These are all about writing, and they're little fun stickers. And then I got these little stamps, and washi tape. As you can tell, I'm very new at this. So this I thought was really pretty stamp. And then I loved this green. I thought this would go really nice in the Hobonichi Cousin. And this cute washi tape. I just thought this was really nice. I liked the colors in it. That was really subtle. And then these clear stamps. You put these on an acrylic and you use those in your, I thought that was neat with the memo and the days. And then I loved this. I thought it looked really vintage, really nice. Very cool. Lots of good stuff. All from Meowashi.